so let's do the decomposition method in finding the prime factorization of a particular number. Let's have an example. Okay, let's have 50. Now, before starting, think of a prime numbers that when you divide by 50, it doesn't have a remainder. So our smallest prime number is 2. So, is 50 divisible by 2? Yes, it is. So, we will divide 50 by 2. So, 50 divided by 2, the quotient, you will put it here under. So, we have 25. Now, 25 can still be divided by a prime number, which is 5. So, it is not 2, it is not 3, but it is 5. So, we will divide 25 by 5. So, 25 divided by 5, you will write the quotient here. Now, 5 is already a prime numbers, so we will stop there. So, from here, we can now have the prime factorization of 50. Where can we find them? We can find them here. So, these are the prime factorization of 50. So, 50, the prime factorization of 50 will be 2 times 5 times 5. Now, since we have 2 5s here, we can write it as 2 times 5. How many 5 do we have? So, we have 2 5s. So, this is the prime factorization of 50. Another example. Okay? So, let's have, we will find the prime factorization of 80. So, in finding the prime factorization of 80, think of the smallest prime number that 80 can be divided up. So, we will divide it by 2. Next, 80 divided by 2, we have 40. Then, 40 is not yet a prime number. So, divide. So, prime number. What is the smallest prime number that 40 can be divided? So, we have 2. 40 divided by 2 is 20. 20 is not yet a prime. So, continue the process. 20. What is the smallest number that 20 can be divided? So, we have another 2. So, 20 divided by 2 is 10. Now, 10 is not yet a prime number. So, continue the process. 10 divided by what is the smallest? Now, 10 can be divided by 2 and 5. But we are talking about the smallest prime number. So, the smallest prime number is 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now, our last quotient is 5. Now, remember, 5 is already a prime number, so we will stop there. So, the prime factorization of 80 is, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. Or we can write it in exponential form. It will be 2,